The time has come. It's time we will find out who will represent Croatia in the next edition of the Origin Song Contest. We will go to our 7 international juries to receive their points, and then we will receive the televoting results. First we will go to the new winners of the Origin Song Contest. Hello Belarus.
Prividani, Hrvatska, from Belarus. The host of this edition of the Origin Song Contest. Minsk, a city with character, is ready to receive you with open arms. We hope to unite in the music of the sun, and that there will be no more than some small clouds in the sky. Anyway, it was nice to get some fresh sea breeze in Croatia before we head back up into the deep forests and fields of Belarus. 12 points go to There's a Thin Line Between Everything.
Good evening Europe. Hello Varazdin. Tonight was amazing and we're looking forward to see the next Croatian entry for Origin Song Contest. Here are the first result of Greek jury votes. And now the 12 points. 12 points go to Horizon.
Good night Croatia, Faroe Islands calling. First of all I have to say that every single performance was great and that every artist deserves the best. And now our points, here you can see the first ones. And finally, 12 Faroese votes go to Eni and her song Du Ludila. Congratulations. Apparently I'm not the biggest slut in Poland, fuck you, Agata, nor am I the most famous slut, fuck you again, Agata, but hopefully somebody remembers my Polish NF song, Summer Love. Really? No one? Oh well, you all slept on it in 2017 anyway. Thank you Croatia for an amazing show and for inviting us to fuck up your jury voting. I'm sure Agata must have loved doing that, seeing as she loves fucking things so much.
I heard there are some nice mental hospitals in Poland. I think you should go to one. But first, can we have your 12 points?
Our 12 points go to song number 3 Du Ludila by Eni. Congratulations.
Hello Croatia, this is Azerbaijan, the land of fire calling. All songs were spectacular and we really enjoyed the show you gave us. We had a hard time ranking all songs but we have now made a decision. Finally, our 12 points goes to Stop It All. Goodbye.
Stop it all. We will stop it all.
Good evening, live from Tbilisi, Georgia. I'm here to present Latvian jury votes. I suppose you're wondering why am I in Georgia? Well, I was on vacation here but Sofo Kalbashi has taken me as a hostage. Please buy my merch so I can get enough money to get back home. #help. Anyways, back to important things. Our 12 points are going to There Is a Thin Line Between Everything. Thank you Croatia for the amazing show and shit Sofo is coming. Bye.
Good evening Croatia. It is the Netherlands calling. This evening has truly been amazing and everyone did an amazing job. However, only one entry can represent Croatia at the Origin Song Contest. Let's reveal our points. Now I will announce the favorite entry from the Dutch jury. Our 12 points go to song number 3, Du Ludila. Thank you for having us, and make sure to join in on the Dutch song reveal on the 15th of August. See y'all.
The international juries have voted. Currently in the lead we have song number 3, Du Ludila, but with the televote everything can change. Let's start. In 8th place with 5 points we have song number 8, Pravis Me Ludim. The 7th place with 16 points go to song number 2, Sudi. The song in 6th place with 34 points is song number 7 There's a Thin Line Between Everything, which is taking the lead. 5th place and 39 points are going to song number 4 Adlazine. In 4th place with 47 points we have song number 5 Stop It All. The 3rd place gets the same amount of 47 points and they are for song number 6 Sunshine. Only 2 songs left. The song in 2nd place gets 51 points, and this is song number 3, Duludila, which takes the lead back. This means song number 1, Horizon, won the televote, but will it get enough points to overtake ENI and will win the whole thing? Horizon gets 62 points. Which is not enough to take the win, and we have a new winner. Congratulations to ENI, who will represent Croatia in the 7th edition of the Origin Song Contest with her song, Duludila.